Are you ready for a truck that's not just redefining power, but also the future of driving? The 2025 Chevrolet Silverado EV, built right here in the USA, is set to electrify the roadways and shake up the electric truck market. With production ramping up across Chevy's American factories and massive interest already driving pre-sales, this EV isn't just another truck, it's a revolution in how we think about work, play, and sustainability. The Silverado EV keeps the bold, muscular look that Chevy trucks are known for, but with a modern twist. The aerodynamic design isn't just for looks, it's about efficiency too. And with a spacious bed and versatile tailgate, this truck is ready for whatever you throw at it. Starting at around $50,000, the 2025 Silverado EV offers serious value for an electric truck. And with production ramping up, you can expect to see these on the road by late 2024. Whether you're a longtime Chevy fan or just looking to make the switch to electric, the Silverado EV is a truck you won't want to miss. Step inside, and you'll find a cabin that's both futuristic and familiar. A massive touchscreen dominates the dash, giving you control over everything from navigation to entertainment. Plus, with advanced safety features and hands-free driving on compatible roads, the Silverado EV is as smart as it is strong. Under the hood, under the floor, this beast is powered by GM's Ultium battery platform. You're looking at an estimated range of over 400 miles on a full charge. And with instant torque, this truck has the power to tow, haul, and accelerate like a traditional Silverado, but without a drop of gasoline. So, what do you think? Is the 2025 Chevrolet Silverado EV the future of trucks? Let us know in the comments. If you're pumped about the latest in electric vehicles, make sure to subscribe, hit the bell, and give us a thumbs up. Stay tuned for more electrifying updates from the auto world.